How to add music on InShot. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app. And now once you open it, you can see there is a interface here. So you can see video, photo, and college. So you can choose any of them. So let me choose a video from here. So now you can see I have one video. So you need to select the video first, and let's check mark. You can see there is right button at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see there is audio options on in the screen. So you simply need to tap on audio option, and finally you can see there is music options on in the screen. So just tap on music, and yeah, you can select a music, and you can also see export audio and imported audio also here. So you can also get the music from your local storage as well. So basically this is how, and this is the process to add music on InShot. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.